have epic motors. Oh no.
Ah, sorry.
You're all right.
Number. No me acuerdo qué número es. Maybe number 3.
Okay.
¿Aló? Y... Sí, que vamos aquí donde el doctor, te digo. No, porque tengo cita, me dijeron. Me hablaron ayer, me mandaron un mensaje. Vaya, pues, está bueno.
Have a good one.
Ok, bye. Ah, era number 2.
Oh, going back in?
Entonces era number 2. Ay, no me acuerdo. Number 2. Number 4?
No, I'm not getting off. I'm just elevator photographing. You're not on camera, so don't worry.
¿Aló? ¿Qué número es el piso de ustedes? Ah, el cuarto piso. Ah, ¿400 qué? Ah, ok. Yo no como loca aquí, ahora voy arriba.
I guess we're going back to 4.
Okay, thank you. Sorry.
It's alright. You're perfectly fine. Be a bit confusing sometimes.
You recording?
Yes ma'am. I just like elevators.
Number 4?
Alright, here you go.
Number 4? Awesome. Thank you.
Hi there. This is at the Bayshore Medical Tower. You can see we got a hospital-sized elevator. Here's your ADA phone right here. Here's a view of the fixtures. Going up. What floor?
2.
2. Y'all have a good one. Bending 4th floor. Can't hear the motors that good. Let's say E-pitched. I'll go back down to 1 and in the video. Not sure what brand this is. It said it was an MCE, but no push button does work. Got a 2-speed door here. I like the reflection. And one out. Alright, here you go, and that'll be it.